Auto Service e-car, and in the studio we have the man himself, Yugan Munsamy the CEO. Welcome, buddy, and nice to have you every Monday here, my man.
Every Monday.
I love it.
You are our Blue Monday.
I'm telling you, more like Black Monday, always in black.
Yeah, that's it.
It's all about uniform, man.
Yeah, proper stuff. So let's go straight to it. So just let us know, how does one make the fuel efficient? Like your car fuel, how do you make sure that it is good enough and lasts you as long as it's supposed to?
Okay, thanks, Namfunda. Hi, everybody out there. It's a very interesting question, especially since Wednesday we're going to be looking at a fuel price increase, and that's going to be hitting customers and everybody out there hard in their pockets. So to make your vehicle fuel efficient, one needs to make sure that the car is serviced properly. Okay? Because servicing a car correctly and regularly doesn't just increase the life of the car, it actually makes the car more fuel efficient. So it keeps the engine running efficiently, and when it runs efficiently it uses less fuel, or the exact amount of fuel that the manufacturers wanted for that engine to run optimally, as well as to make sure that the vehicle doesn't emit harmful gases at the exhaust side. So it leaves less of a carbon footprint in the environment. So both ways, an efficient engine helps you save money, helps the planet.
So besides servicing your car, what else can one do? If you own a car, what else can you do besides servicing your car, just to ensure that you have enough to last you throughout the month?
One of the basic stuff is behavioral changes. So plan your trips, avoid traveling in areas where there's a lot of stop and goes, stop streets, robots, high traffic congestion areas, because idling in traffic just consumes a lot of fuel. The other thing as well is every time you change your gears and you start revving and decelerating, that also uses a lot of fuel. And then make sure your tire pressure is 100% perfect. If you're running with underinflated tires, meaning that you've got low tire pressure, you're actually increasing the resistance of the tire on the road, and you have to now press the accelerator more, which means more fuel.
So basically you're saying one does need to have a checklist of some sort, besides taking your car in for a service, just to make sure that, okay, this is done, this has been taken care of. So keeping track on the car, is that what you're referring to?
Absolutely. And that stuff we learn when we go for a K53 driver's license. So we all tend to forget the basic checklist that the inspectors, we probably do once only for the inspector. But that type of stuff we need to remember, that basic checks.
All right. So what can someone do if they're not happy with fuel consumption? Because sometimes you find that as much as your full tank is this much, but you can't really plan your trip because maybe you work a certain job that requires you to be here and there all at once within that month. How do you then deal with that?
Well, if you feel that you're not getting the fuel consumption from your vehicle, bring your vehicle into Premier Auto Services.
Okay.
Bring your car to us and we will check it for you. We have the high-tech diagnostic computers. We can plug it in. We could check to see that your engine's running optimally. We can also do a service on your vehicle to make sure that the service parts in your car is correct. Who knows, a mechanic down the road could just put any spark plugs in.
It might.
So don't take chances. Bring the car in and we will make sure that we check it according to the manufacturer specifications. We service it according to the manufacturer specifications. We put the correct parts into the vehicle, and then we have it running perfectly so that you save on fuel.
Okay, so now I want to bring in my car and I don't know how to get a hold of you. So your contact number, being your cell phone number, not your personal number, but the office number and the WhatsApp line.
Okay, cool. So we have a WhatsApp number. It's 082-4165-178. You might find me answering that from time to time as well. So it's 082-4165-178, and our landline is 031-569-6939. So it's 031-569-6939.
Alright, so please note, servicing your car saves fuel. For professional, affordable car service, take your car down to Premier Auto Service e-car at 1415 Chris Road, Old North Course Road, near Bluff Mead Supply.